Controlling algae in your pond, waterfall, or fountain can be difficult, frustrating, and time-consuming. With Aquascape EcoBlast Contact Granular Algaecide, it is easy to quickly eliminate algae growth, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your water feature and less time maintaining it. EcoBlast is a fast-acting contact algaecide that can be used in ponds and other water features containing fish and plants. One of the best things about EcoBlast is that results are noticeable within a few hours of the application. Simply sprinkle the treatment directly on the affected area and watch the algae disappear. In areas with fast-moving water, such as streams and waterfalls, it is recommended to turn off the pump before applying the treatment. This ensures that the EcoBlast comes in direct contact with the algae rather than being washed downstream. EcoBlast's ability to quickly control algae is the result of a powerful oxidation reaction that occurs when it comes in contact with algae growth. This reaction also adds beneficial oxygen to the water, improving the overall health of your ecosystem. EcoBlast can be used at any water temperature, making it an excellent treatment choice for any time of the year. The formulation also works effectively in a wide variety of pH levels. Aquascape EcoBlast is a fast-acting algaecide that can be used in water features with plants and fish. EcoBlast can be used at any water temperature and works great on all places algae likes to grow, such as rocks in the waterfall and stream, the edges of the pond, and fountain surfaces. Aquascape uses the newest scientifically proven water treatments and industry-leading ingredients to optimize the entire pond ecosystem. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.